Welcome back to another video. So on today's video we're going to be going over the glow plugs on the Honda. This is the Honda ICDTI and this is the FRV. And I'm guessing this will also go with most other Hondas of this generation, which is 06. This is the part number here. There's a part number there. I'll just show you another one. I'm using Bosch. That's who I'm using. Got engine management light on because of glow plugs. Starts alright. It's never had an issue starting. Never had anything along them lines. But goes into limp mode as soon as it's warmed up. Then then it comes out limp mode again. So I'm suspecting it is glow plug. I have changed cam position sensor. I've unit as well, so the last thing I think it could possibly is the glow plug. And yeah, let's get on with that, shall we? So to start, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm. I've already loosened them off anyway. They do come with washers if you've not already tampered with them. As you can see, there's not one there. But there's one there, so what I'm going to do is just going to throw them up there just to keep them out of the way. Same with them. Let's give you these ones here. This one finally comes with a washer, so some work must have been done on this engine prior of my ownership. So let's just undo this with my hands. I've already unloosened them anyway, so it shouldn't be that much harder. Get that washer off there as well. Come on, there we are. Right, then all it takes is a swift pull up, oh bugger, yep, that's gone on the floor. That washer. Let's give it a wiggle out of the way. Use my right arm. There we are, it's off now. Put that there. And as you can see, the engine is rather oily. So I'm guessing there's an injector seal gone as well. So I'll have a look at that at a later date. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with the number 1 here. So what you do, pull it up like so, and then once you pulled it up, you're going to get your 12mm socket. So you're going to need a deep socket like so. So it needs to be a 12mm. Stick it on the end of there. You're going to get your ratchet, loosey goosey it off, and then 1 minute. You know, unloosen it like so. 1 second. Right, and once you've unloosened it, you do that. Get your fingers in there and pull it out. Now, I'm not sure if this is the one that needs replacing. So you've already got 2 there. But if I need to replace all 4, I will do. There's only 25 quid each. And I got these from Autodoc. So there's a new one. Let's see if we can do it that way. Nice and clean. Let's pop it in there. Let's have a see. Let's see if that engine cord still comes up. So again, I'm just going to tighten it. Make sure it's hand tightened first. So that's gone in. It's hand tight. Make sure you're checking for cross threading. So I do a couple of left turns and then a couple of right. Feels like it's binding there. So a couple of left turns. Right, now turn a couple of right turns. Now let's get our socket. Let's get a wrench on there. Make sure it's untightened. Excellent. Right, so that's fully tightened up. Pushed it back on there now. Let's just try the car, see what happens. Can I clear the cord? Can I clear the cord? Does the cord clear? Let us see. No, the cord's still there. So it might just need all four doing, but let me check with the code reader. So again, it's giving me code 1348. It's only a cheap reader, this one. 1348. So it's saying this 2 of 2. So nothing's changed since the last time. If I'm changing the glow plugs, so I'm not 100% sure what the score is. It won't allow me to erase them. Let's see now. Just let them clear. Yes, it comes right back on. Right back on. I did get a bit excited then. I did get a bit excited when it switched off. But yeah, we'll figure it out, won't we? Right, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I've showed you how to remove the glow plugs. Very simple job again. Probably took 20 minutes max, but and I did 2 of them, so it's dead simple job, dead simple. I'll try and replace all 4 of them. I'll buy another 2, see if that helps. Like I said, they're only 25 quid each from Autodoc, so we'll just go from there. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate you stopping by today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.